to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling my basement bathroom for a major deep clean. This bathroom is nasty, you guys, and I'm hoping that the results are like disgustingly satisfying, and I can't even believe I'm showing this on camera, but let's get into it. So you are looking at the before, and as you can see, there is a ton of mold, mildew. It is so gross, you guys. I, again, cannot believe I'm showing this on camera, but I wanted to give you guys a deep look. You can see on the wall here, it is just nasty. Plus in the shower, there was just kind of everyday messes and that sort of thing. But it is a 1960s bathroom, and so it has not been renovated. It has not been done, and there is a lot of work to do. So first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and empty everything and just vacuum the floor. I also wanted to just vacuum the nitty-gritty corners and stuff, so I did go ahead and do that, and then I'm just emptying out the shower and using some CLR bathroom and kitchen cleaner, and I let it sit on here for a few minutes to kind of let it soak in before going ahead and scrubbing it. So for those of you that are new here, we are currently renting our house, and our landlord does not want to rip out this shower even though it leaks. And so there's not really a whole lot that I can do in here other than obviously like clean it like I am, but there is a few things I would like to do for this bathroom just to give it a little bit of a makeover. So I would love to know in the comments if you have any ideas before I go ahead and hopefully tackle this project in the spring here, closer to the summer when the weather gets a little bit warmer. So I'm going ahead and using my Skinvigorate brush. This is an old, like, it's almost like a Clarisonic brush, to go ahead and use it on the shower. And as you can see, it is not working very well using the CLR. So stay tuned and make sure you watch to the end to see what actually worked.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history.
Okay, so like nothing is working right now. I've been scrubbing this shower for what seems like forever. I've tried CLR, I've tried the Go Clean Co method, which usually works for like everything. So next I'm spraying the Dawn Power Wash. So let's go ahead and try this and try and get this shower clean.
You wouldn't change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee.
So I also just wanted to pop on here really quickly and introduce myself for those of you that are new here. Welcome, my name is Brianne, and I am a mama to 2 little girls, and I am married to my wonderful husband. We currently live in Canada, and I love creating lots of cleaning and homemaking motivation here on my channel. And so if that is what you like, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button. Now look at this, you guys. I just think it is disgusting. That is mold coming out from underneath the shower. So I'm very happy that I did bring bleach and go ahead and like I bleached this entire shower. Even though it didn't get everything off, it is definitely like cleaned, sanitized, and disinfected.
You wouldn't change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. like I'm better off with it.
Next, I'm gonna try and use the Dawn Power Wash on the outside here, as it did work fairly well on the inside of the shower, as you saw. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit on here for a little bit and also use it on the shower glass. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little scrubby, not using the abrasive side because I don't wanna scratch the glass, and just go ahead and give the glass a nice wipe, both on the inside of the shower as well as on the outside.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight.
So after using my little sonic brush there, I went ahead with this abrasive brush and wanted to go ahead and give it a good scrub. So as you can see, the Dawn Power Wash did work a little bit, but it's still not quite 100%. So let's go ahead and try this, which is my toilet bowl cleaner. So I had read that if you put toilet bowl cleaner on and then put paper towel over top so that it doesn't like leak everywhere, and then you let it sit for about half an hour or so, it should come off. So let's go ahead and try this now. Okay, so now that the toilet bowl cleaner is on, I'm gonna go ahead and start scrubbing and cleaning the rest of the bathroom, and I'm gonna let that sit on there for at least half an hour, hopefully an hour, and kind of go from there. So I'm just going ahead and cleaning our walls using the Go Clean Co method. This is one method that I love to use. It is a bleach and powder Tide mixture with really, really hot water. And this is good for multiple surfaces, and really and truly this bathroom needed such a good clean. So I don't like to clean with bleach and stuff all the time. There's actually not a window in here either, so it was very strong. I am happy that I did this when my kids were down for their nap and quiet time, as they weren't in this bathroom for a solid 24 hours or even in our basement. So it was nice that it did have time to air out. Next, I'm going ahead and just kind of cleaning around the mirror and the toilet. So as you can see on the countertops here, I did use the Tiber River spray, and I really, really like this stuff a lot. So here is a before and an after shot. It looks so much better. I'm just so happy with it. It is clean, it is decluttered, and it is just looking a lot better. Next, I am going ahead and wiping my mirror. I have talked about this before, but if you have not tried to clear your mirror or your windows or your glass using coffee filters and Windex, go ahead and try it. It works wonders. So I would love if you did that, and then take me over on Instagram if you found it helpful. I would love to share it on my stories. Alright, so I got the rest of the bathroom clean. It has been sitting on there for about an hour, so we're gonna go ahead and wipe it off and see how it goes. Look at this, you guys. The toilet bowl cleaner worked wonders. I barely had to scrub. I literally was like just trying to carefully take off the paper towel, and it just like all came off, and it was so satisfying. So here is the lovely before and after. I hope this video gives you some encouragement to go ahead and deep clean your bathroom, as well as give you lots of cleaning motivation. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that it gave you tons of deep cleaning motivation. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye!